It's a bit of Wednesday buck speed time. Run VT, Errol. Hi guys, welcome to Bark Speed. Basically, I'm going to try a different technique at the moment. I'm going to be using a lot of this sort of thing where I'm holding the camera and I'm going to be walking around. Mainly because I want to get right in and show you some bits and pieces on the car. So basically the other day, me and Dave came in, we did a load of welding, and really I should put some paint on the welds because otherwise they're all going to go rusty. So I got some acid etch primer tins. Acid etch primer tins, but unfortunately that stuff is so thick in the can, it just gets blocked up and you can't really do anything with it. So down to Lenny Brooks I went and I bought some thinners. I bought some thinners. I bought activator for a litre of acid etch primer, some mixing jugs, mixing woody things, and also bought Ed China's favourite pre-paint. Never used it before. Apparently it's good for cleaning out guns as well, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to get my other compressor down here as well, hopefully on Saturday, and I'm going to give it a go. But for the time being, I'm going to mix a little bit of paint up in my new gun. Oh yeah, and I bought a spray gun as well. I like the way it says high quality spray gun on the box, but hopefully that'll be all right. And yeah, we'll see what happens really. I'm gonna try and tackle just some little bits on the top of the car. I'm really itching to do this, but my compressor's only a baby one down here, and the guy reckons I need at least 100 litre tank. So I might have to go shopping. Anyway, it is, as they say in show business, a really lovely day, and we were going to go karting this afternoon, but apparently it forecast rain, but I don't think there is going to be rain now. So yeah, it's a bit of a bummer. Right, anyway, just a little check-in, and hopefully on Saturday I'm going to be using this and having some fun. Check me out. Anyway, nice to see everybody, and yeah, bye for now. Okay, so one of the things we can do while I'm here, just for half an hour on that, is to actually prep this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just sand this down all the way, right the way across, and just get rid of all the lumps and bumps so that it's nice and smooth, ready for some pre-paint, and we go from there really. So yeah, I just made a start, and I'm just going to go across and down and go across and down. There's a few dents and dings in this roof. There's quite a lot more than I thought actually, so I'm going to have to try and do something with those as well, but for the time being I'm going to use this. Okay, so next thing is Ed China's pre-paint. You rub pre-paint all over everything. Back, I've still got some lumps. So pre-paint, then I'll go over it and find the lumps, and then it'll be ready for painting. So a bit of pre-paint first. Do this.
Right, so as you can see,
the roof has been painted in etch primer all the way around. I had a little run in this corner which I've just rubbed down, but I can put a little bit more on there, and it's ready for some more bits to be done. But it's a nice colour. I'm not going to have it that colour, obviously, 'cause that's horrible. But no, it's ready to take more coats so it stops it from going rusty. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. This is the first attempt. What do you reckon? Comments below. So right, this is a little compilation of things that have been going on over the last week. Friday this week, Dave's coming over again. We're going to do some more welding in Welding Club. And you know what rule number 1 of Welding Club? You don't talk about Welding Club. Anyway, enough said. Catch you later. Hi guys, back again. It's another Saturday morning, really early. And I thought I'd come down and show you what we did yesterday on the Mini. So basically, Dave came over and we cut out a massive part of the back of the car here, refabricated some bits and pieces, put a new piece in here, that's a new piece there in on the floor pan, replaced a big panel there, and as from inside you can see, there we go, you can see we had a new piece put in there, and that's our new piece there as well. And we also tore off the sill, the oversill, and found another hole. So next time on Welding Club, we're going to replace this panel completely. We're going to cut it right the way down underneath the underneath there, and that'll be the floor pan done. Also ground this as well. So this needs a bit of paint. I'm going to strip all of this crap off of here. And yeah, so as you can see, we made a lot of progress yesterday, and we also filled our bellies with pizza. So that's just another quick thing of what we did. I've got some pictures I'll put up just to let you know, show you what we did, and we'll go from there. Okay, stay safe everybody, and cheers. As they say in show business, that's a wrap. Hope you've enjoyed what you see. And if you like, please subscribe and follow. And give me the thumbs up. Thanks. Cheers. Bye for now.